Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your personal information off of a computer. Let's go to our desktop. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear our internet browser cookies and history and any type of information we've typed into forms on the internet. Click on your Start button. Let's open up Internet Explorer. Now to clear your personal information within Internet Explorer, let's go to Tools and then Internet Options. And in the middle section here where it says Browsing History, let's click on Delete. Now this brings up the option to delete your temporary internet files, which is basically a cache of the websites that you've gone to, your cookies, which is a copy of any information you might have typed in the forms. The history is a list of websites that you've visited, and the form data is another way that it stores your usernames and your credit card numbers and things that you typed in the forms, and also any passwords that you've had your browser save. So I'm just going to click Delete All. It's going to ask me if I'm sure, and I'm going to tell it to delete all files and settings that are stored by add-ons. Now this will get anything that any toolbars that you have installed may be storing about you as well. I'm going to check that and click on Yes. So it's now going through and it's deleting all of my personal information out of the browser. Now we have that done. Let's click on the Start button. I'm going to pull up my documents as well. Now I only have a couple of folders here, but you may have things such as your personal budget, any personal pictures that you may have taken and stored here. And it's a good idea, if you're going to be getting rid of this computer or giving it away, that you just delete those out of your document list. So let's hold down the Control button and press the A key, which means select all, and then just press the Delete key. Now it's going to ask you if you want to move those two items to the recycle bin. I'm going to say no because I don't want to delete my information here. But it will then clear this folder out, basically anything that you had here, and it'll move it to the recycle bin, which is on your desktop. To permanently delete those files, right-click on your recycle bin, and then click on Empty Recycle Bin. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to clear your personal information off of a computer.